We are in Francis, Utah, and we are working with a 2021, is it 2021 Revel? Yeah. 2021 lithium package Winnebago Revel. We are going to be taking off the stock air conditioner and installing. She has me laughing. I'm going to have to do a few takes because you know I hate the camera. So we're going to have to like talk me through it. You have to tell me I'm beautiful a few times. You're tall, stunningly good looking. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready whenever you are.
All right, guys. This is Jonathan with Nomadic Cooling. We are here. This is the lithium package with Lithionics, 200 amp hours, and we're going to be switching it off with the Nomadic Cooling 3000 with Eco mode. So we'll go through some of the steps of how to take off the old air conditioner and some of the steps of how to put on the Nomadic Cooling 3000 to keep you cooler, longer, go further in comfort with Nomadic Cooling.
Today we are putting in a new air conditioning unit from Nomadic Cooling. And I am in charge of making sure that everything goes okay from the comfort of my chair in the shade. Are they cutting it bigger?
Low. And what you'll see is that what I've done here is I've taken this device here with the washer contraptions here. Now I don't want you to pay any attention to the duct tape around the wires, okay? This is completely by the book, okay? All of this, standard operating procedures. This is what I call in van life, best practice. All right, guys, so what we've done already is we've removed the air conditioner that came with the vehicle. It wasn't that bad, it was actually a lot lighter than I thought. It does take 2 people and 2 ladders to go ahead and remove that air conditioner. What we're going to do now is we cleaned the roof of all debris, grime, soot, anything else, and then we are going to use our included 3M gasket for the water protection. And what we're going to do is we're going to go sticky side down. We're basically just going to put it over the 14x14 opening, and sort of your call on that. You can use ProFlex. This is the black. You can put it underneath the gasket, or you can put it around the gasket, or you could do neither of the two. We are on this one, we're going to put it under, and we're also going to put it on the side of the gasket. And with all 3 of these things, when you seal the rooftop air conditioner down, it will make it so it is watertight inside the unit. Boom. This is what makes it so tall. It's a super big fan right here, you know? It's a give and take. Everything in a van is a give and take. Yeah, so there's our fan right in there. A little shimmy goes this way. The other one goes this way. Quieter is right there. Instead of this one right here,
very soft.
The way they do this one is they glue this together right here. So they use 2 pieces so that they just cut each like an L. Boom, boom. Less to go wrong here. Super dense. The air conditioner itself installs in 30 minutes. That's not the problem. What we have to do is we have to get this wire from here down to the batteries. It's about 10 feet. And in order to do that, we sort of have to take some of this stuff off. So that is the most challenging part of this whole operation, is getting this wire from the air conditioner down to the battery. Okay guys, so here's what we've done. We've actually ran the 2 AWG wire from the 14x14 opening. We ran it through the ceiling, down the wall. There's a nice little path right here on the inside where the Revel stuff meets, and then we ran it into the electronics bay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hook it up to a 100 amp fuse, a 187 style with the big lugs. And this is the only one to buy, directly up to the Revel bus bar, positive and negative. And then we're going to then install the air conditioner. I feel like I could have done that a little better.
Me too.
Think
you
so?
were in the shot the whole time.
I was in the shot the whole time?
No, she is. Just on her.
Yeah, she's every shot she's in, she's texting. You okay? Well, inside the Revel now, and we've taken out the interior wood trim piece that comes with the stock air conditioner. And we are just from the roof, we're going to line up the the air conditioner to make sure it's straight on the roof for aerodynamics so we can go super fast down the highway. We don't want it sideways. Do you mind squeezing inside real quick? Yeah. And then you just need to make me, tell me if these bolts are going through the hole, because I can't see it. Okay. Right now we're actually installing the interior mounting brackets, and they're actually going to go up into your ceiling panels, and then they sort of just attach to the screws, and they create the negative pressure against the roof of the vehicle to make it so your air conditioner doesn't fly off as you're driving down the road. Sort of an important little deal here. The trick is, the caveat is, you don't want to screw down too tight. Too tight is bad. But we want to do it at a way that, like, from the roof, it looks like it's hovering over your van. Okay. We're just going to go back up onto the roof to double check that the air conditioner is straight and centered, and then we're also going to double check that the air conditioner is far enough forward on the 14x14 3M rooftop gasket to make sure that the water that comes off the unit in high humidity climates goes onto the roof and not into the van. The roof is good, van is bad. What you don't want to do is you don't want to crank these bolts down too far, because you'll just break the air conditioner. It's just it's plastic up here. It's to create lightweight, but just get it down so your rooftop gasket is squished about ½ an inch from the inch that it is currently. And then, you know, just press on your AC, make sure she's not flying out of there. There we go. She's a rockin'. Right now we're running about 55 amps of consumption. Give us roughly 5 hours with this battery configuration. Coming out of the vent, the cold air is coming at what time? 43 degrees Fahrenheit, and the air going in is 80. So we have almost 40 degrees of separation between air going in and air going out. 37, 35, pretty standard here for Nomadic Cooling. Okay guys, I just finished the install of the Nomadic Cooling 3000 12 volt 75 amp compressor in this 2021 Revel with the Lithionics 250 amp hour batteries. Right now it's using somewhere around 50 amps to run the air conditioner in about 95, 90 degrees ambient temperature outside. We're projecting 5 hours of runtime as opposed to the hour and a half that we were getting off the air conditioner that came with the unit. So hour and a half before, we're looking at right around 5 hours. That's compressor on time. It's not funny numbers, that's the time that the compressor is running inside the vehicle. And the biggest thing for this customer is that it fits inside his 10-foot door. The old unit did not fit in, new unit fits right in. We shaved off a couple inches. Less inches, now we're in the garage. If you have any questions about your 2021 Revel and adding a Nomadic Cooling air conditioner, go ahead and find us at nomadiccooling.com, or even better, hit us up on Instagram, hit that DM button, send me a message, comes right to me, and we can answer any questions that you may have and ship an air conditioner off to you. Just remember, if you want to go further in comfort, give us a call. Nomadic Cooling. That was a little corny. What'd the audience think? A little corny?
I liked it.
You liked it?
You really